Plan of today is to photograph a kingfisher. It's a very shy bird, so it will be difficult. Bird of prey, right above. I don't know if you can hear them. I have a little trick to photograph the kingfishers. To place a little tree branch. I place the branch. This branch because kingfishers are always trying to find a new hunting place. When they see a new hunting place, there's a big chance that they are going to sit on my branch. I will set my hide up at the other side of the river, and we can see the branch perfectly in the sunlight. I'm ready. I'm already waiting for like an hour. I didn't hear anything from the kingfisher, so we need to wait a little bit longer. After 2 hours, we didn't see the kingfisher. Maybe more luck next time. We have another camera placed at what I think is the home of badgers. So I'm going to check the footage right now, and I think it's very cool. This is the first hole, and here are something around 10 holes. This is the hole where we placed our trail camera, and here is the trail camera. We got 40 videos. Here are the best videos of the badger. Today we are at the same spot as 3 weeks ago. I already saw some beautiful heron. Around 5 or 4 herons. And hopefully they show up at this pond so we can make a beautiful photo. I will start to set up my hide. I'm ready. Come join me. There are 2 gooses right in front of me. But they are testing me. Because when I arrived they already were here. But they don't want to come to the small pond in front of me. So hopefully they come closer. Before I came here on the spot, I saw this wounded deer. It was so sad to watch. I'm sitting here for like 2 hours, and the gooses are still standing on the same spot, a little too far to photograph. I saw some bird of prey. I saw some heron. Hopefully the heron will land at this pond. Unfortunately, after 3 hours, I didn't manage to take the photo I wanted. This is the trail cam footage of this week. Enjoy! Today is the day that we place the trail camera on a different location. Do you have a great idea where to place the trail camera? Let me know in the comments. I place the trail camera a little bit risky, but here's the trail camera, and there are two holes of the beaver lodge, so hopefully they will come out. The camera is placed. Hopefully we get the shots we wanted, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and you see the footage next week. I came here for one thing. If it shows itself, it won't be for long. The species I'm trying to find today, I already saw them around 5 times. So hopefully they take place on one of these trees. Make sure you watch till the end to see if I photograph these species. I hear the species right now. I'm going to try bird photography. Are you ready? I place some food